So we have a patient that came in with this old amalgam or mercury filling. The filling's not huge compared to the size of the tooth. However, what ends up happening is you will get these fracture lines emanating from the filling, and this patient has a number of them. So once we take out these fillings, because they're leaking, they have little gaps around the edges, we may end up losing this whole cusp back here because there are fracture lines separating. It could pop right off in the preparation, and this tooth would end up needing a CEREC onlay, which would actually fill in the missing tooth, bonds right to the existing tooth surface. It would act to strengthen the tooth rather than a filling acts like a wedge and just fills in a spot. The porcelain onlay will strengthen because it bonds, it holds the rest of the tooth together. Another interesting note about this tooth is the color variation. You've got this crack line down the center, and you've got the gray and the kind of a iridescent white, which could signal some decay as well.